Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, compass, trip computer, CD player, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, panic alarm, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, brake assist, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.